Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about how to delete documents and data on iPhone. So let's get straight into it. First of all, go to your settings, tap on General. Right after that, tap on iPhone storage. Now make sure to delete unnecessary applications from your device. It will help to space up your device. Another method that you can use is by selecting Files applications, open it, and now select the documents or file that are no longer required and make sure to delete it. That will help your iPhone to be more spacious. And last but not the least, we have Safari data clearance. In order to do so, go to Settings, scroll it down and tap on Apps, search for Safari. Scroll it down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. It helps to remove unnecessary data and information. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this helps you out.